Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying the problem. State inputs, expected outputs, and constraints so you know the boundaries. Next, write a brief high-level outline of major steps to guide flow. This prevents getting stuck in syntax. Once done, pick the abstraction level, broad modules or detailed operations, and choose simple, consistent keywords like start, loop, if call. Make sure to use plain language and consistent naming, so the logic reads like a recipe you can follow immediately. You now expand each major step into ordered substeps, keeping each line focused on one action so the flow stays readable. Use explicit control keywords, if for decisions, for or while for repetition, and indicate loop bounds or termination conditions. Once expanded, annotate where variables change and note edge cases like empty input or limits. Make sure to keep statements language agnostic. That lets you translate to any programming language later without rethinking the algorithm. You finish by tracing the pseudocode with concrete examples and watching how variables evolve to verify correctness. This catches logic holes quickly. Then simplify any redundant steps and clarify ambiguous phrases so someone else can implement it. Once done, add a brief error handling note or fallback for common failures. If something still breaks, check variable initialization and loop termination first. These are the usual culprits, and adjust the step order or bounds to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.